Hello students. So today I am going to explain you one chapter from this Weaver course book 1 for class 1. Okay, we are going to do the chapter from here, and the chapter which we are going to do is chapter 3, Geeta'S flower. Okay, now let's start with the chapter. Okay, so here it is saying, the chapter name is saying Geeta'S flower. That means there is a girl named Geeta, and in the chapter we are going to know about the flowers. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in the book it is saying, oh, Geeta jumps with joy. A flower, oh how lovely. Geeta here, she was happy and joy. A flower, how lovely, she said. She clapped her hand and shout. She claps her hand and shout. Come and see here. Come and see here. She was saying to someone. Kumar, her brother, comes running. Her brother name was Kumar. He comes running and he asked, what happened? Geeta smiles from ear to ear. She started smiling from ear to ear. She said, I am so happy. Then she said, I am so happy. Why? Kumar wants to know. Then Kumar, his brother, said, why? Kumar wants to know. He wants to know why her sister was happy and smiling. She said, look at my plant. She was showing her plant. I watered the plant every day. Now it has grown so tall. Today it has a lovely big red flower too. I love my plant and the flower, Geeta says happily. Now Geeta was showing her flower to his brother, the plants, and she said, I have watered the plant every day. She has watered the plant and take care of the plant every day. Now it has grown so tall. It has grown so tall. Today it has a lovely big red flower. It has a lovely big red flower too. I love my plant and the flower, she says happily. She says happily that I love my plants and the flower too. Now let's go to the next page. What happened? That night it rained a lot. That night it rained a lot and strong winds blow. Geeta is worried. She thinks her flower will die. That night it was raining a lot and strong winds blow. Geeta was very worried. She thinks her flower will die. The next morning she ran to see the flower. As the morning came, the next morning she ran to see the plant. Her plant which she has watered every day, and from the plant there was a red beautiful flower. Oh, my lovely red flower is still there. Geeta jumps and down and claps. When she went near to the plant, she saw that her red flower is still there. Geeta jumped up and down and clapped. She jumped up and down and clapped. Her mother comes out to look at the flower. Her mother also comes out to look at the flower. She smiles at Geeta and says, look at the flower, look at the color, Geeta, how dark red it is. She smiled at Geeta and says, look at the color, Geeta, how dark the red is. Yes, it is dark red, says Geeta. Yeah, can I take a photo with your phone? She said to her mother, it is dark red, and she said her mother that can I take a photo with your phone? With the plant. She wants to take a photo with the plant, and she asked her mother that can I take a photo with your phone? Then it is saying, level the photo hibiscus. Kumar says, what are you going to do with the flower? So after that, Kumar, her mother said, level the photo. After taking the photo, level the photo. Hibiscus, and Kumar says, what are you going to do with the flower? What will you do with the hibiscus? Okay, so they were just doing the conversation in this chapter. What it is saying the girl who has watered the plant every day, and from that plant a beautiful red flower has come out. Okay, so in this chapter it is telling about us to taking care of the plant, how if you will care the plant it will become long, and how you will love the nature. Okay, about the nature and the family, how they are all engaged here in the growing of the plant, and everyone was very happy. Okay, so this is the chapter Geeta'S flower. I have explained you. So in this chapter we have this much only about the chapter. So Geeta'S flower. So again I am going to tell you something about here. So it is just telling about the Geeta'S flower here. She is very much happy. Okay, after growing the flower, her brother came. Okay, and he too came running to know why her sister was very happy. Okay, so she explained about it, that she has watered the plant every day, and from that plant a very red beautiful flower has come out. Okay, lovely flower. And one night she was very worried because it was raining a lot and strong winds were blowing. She was worried that her flower will die, but again in the next morning she ran to see the flower, but she was very happy and she jumped and clapped that her flower was still there. Her mother comes out to look at the flower also. She said, smiling to Geeta, look at the color, how red it is. She said, yes, it is very red. Can I take a photo with the phone? She asked her mother, and her mother said, level the photo. Hibiscus, what are you going to do with the flower? So in this chapter there is this much about the Geeta'S flower. Now we will go to the exercise of this chapter. So I have completed the chapter's explanation, Geeta'S flower. So let's start with the exercise. Okay students, now we are going to do the exercise. So first we have from page number 9, question A. It is saying, look at the picture, fill in the blanks with the words in the box. So the first one, Geeta dashed with joy. So the answer for that is jumps. Number 2, Geeta dashed the plant. The answer is water. Number 3, Geeta'S mother takes a photo. The answer is photo. Number 4, Kumar is Geeta'S. The answer is brother. Number 5, this plant is dash. It is tall. Now from page number 9 we have finished question number A. Now let's go to page number 10. So we have another question, that is A only. It is saying, look at the color chart. Each chart has one main color. The shades of a color are from light to dark. Now look the picture. Write the color name used in each picture. One shade has been done for you. Okay, see here, one is done for you. So like that, if you see here, the color pattern are here. The first one is parrot green, second one is dark green, and the third one is lime green. Next one, see here, in the next one we have different color patterns. So the answers for the first is navy blue, second is sky blue, and the third is royal blue. Okay, this one is done. Now again for this one, it is number 1 is amber, number 2 is honey, and number 3 is yellow. So this we have completed. Now let's go to the next page, that is page number 12. In page number 12 we have question B. It is saying, look at the color chart in activity A again. Look at the color chart in the activity A again. Fill in the blanks with the name of colors. One has been done for you. Okay, so we have to go to the color chart of this only. and we have to do the answers. So here the first one, the darkest shade of red is maroon, the lightest shade of red is pink, the darkest shade of green is dark green, the lightest shade of green is lime green, the darkest shade of blue is navy blue, and the lightest shade of blue is sky blue. Number 7, the darkest shade of yellow is honey, and the lightest shade of yellow is amber. Okay, this is the answer for question B. Okay, now we are going to page number 14. So it is saying circle the correct option for each picture. So here we have a picture, you have to circle the correct option. So for A it is boy, and for this one it is girl. Now there is another question B in that same page. Now write the name of the boy and the girl from the story. So the name of the boy is Kumar and the name of the girl is Geeta from the story. Okay, from the story. Now let's go to C. Circle the special name of people and place. Here we have different names are given here. It is saying to circle the names of people and place. So the name are Prerna, Shruti and Bengaluru from here, and Delhi and mountains. Everest, okay, Mount Everest. These are the special name of people and place among this. Now D. Now let's do question number D. Fill in the blanks. Every blank will have the special name of a person or place beginning with a capital letter. You have to write the special name of person or a place beginning with a capital letter. So the first one it is saying dash your name and dash your friend's name are good friends. So you can write your name. So here I am writing Raza. Suppose your name is Raza and Ram. Raza and Ram are good friends. Okay. Number 2, we have our school is called dash, name of your school. So you can write the name of your school. So what is the name of our school is? Bagdogra Sister Nivedita English School. So you will write your school name. So we'll write our school name. Okay, after that, number 3, dash likes music but dash loves to dance. Here also you can write the name of a person. So I'm writing Avi. Avi likes music but dash. What will be the another dash? Anu loves to dance. And the 4, the last one, our family went to dash for holiday. Our family went Delhi for a holiday. Okay, you have to write the name of a place. Okay, so the last one here from page number 15 we have connect the dots. You have to connect the dots. Color the flower you get. Can you name the flowers? The word in the box will help you. Here the words I give. The first one it is rose, the second one is lily, and the third one is sunflower, and the last one is lotus. So these are the answers for the exercise for this chapter. So I have completed all the question and answer or the whatever is here in this chapter from Geeta'S flower, and I have explained you. Thank you very much.